This meditation is very powerful, so please use with caution. After listening, expect an obsessive and overwhelming amount of love and attention from them. Now let's begin. They are obsessive. They are so in love. They are possessive. They get jealous easily. They praise every inch of my body. They always want to be around me. They always want to talk to me. They spoil me and give me anything I want. They are extremely overprotective. They love everything I do and say. They are extremely loyal. They only have eyes for me. We talk everything out and rarely fight. They praise every inch of my body. They love to love me like crazy. They love to stare at me all the time. They love to compliment me all the time. They love to talk about me all the time. They love to think about me 24/7. They love to share everything with me. They love to touch me and be affectionate. They want me to be with them every second. They love me. They are head over heels in love with me. They love to be clingy. They love to be around me all the time. They find me irresistible. They always check up on me. They're so worried when something happens to me. They take care of me. They need me. They want me in their future. They can't imagine a future without me. They are so possessive of me. They get jealous when I talk to someone else. They overthink when I don't reply to their messages immediately. They have all sorts of thoughts about me. They daydream and dream about scenarios of us together. They want me in their life now. They want me to be with them forever. They let me know how much they love me. They show me physical affection. They praise me. They want to hug me all the time. They want to kiss me all the time. They always want to be around me. They always want to cuddle with me. They hug their pillow at night, imagining it's me. They make scenarios in their head of us together. They miss me when I am not with them. They always want to touch me. They kiss me all the time. They hug me all the time. They are so clingy. They want me to be theirs. They are becoming impatient and want me now. They only love me. They can't leave me alone. They always want me near them. They often daydream about me. They daydream about me when I'm not with them. They zone out daydreaming about me. They dream of me. They have lovely dreams of me. They fall more and more in love with me in their dreams. They always compliment me. They are my protector. They are always there for me. They have a soft spot for only me. They always need to see me. They make it a daily routine to talk to me and see me. They adore me. They find me so attractive. They constantly post me. They constantly show how much they care for me. People wish they could have a relationship like ours. They are madly in love with me. They only love me. They only talk to me. They love me so much to the point where it's obsessive. They constantly seek my validation. I am the only thing they talk about. They are so clingy. They are so overprotective. They have deep romantic feelings for me. They always miss me. It's very obvious that they are obsessed with me. They literally worship me. They treat me like royalty. They think that I am better than everyone else. They do anything I want them to. They are perfect for me. They text me all the time. They care for me and love me so much to the point it hurts. They send me long love paragraphs on how much they love me. They ignore everyone else for me because I am the most important to them. They hang out with me every day. They clearly get jealous when I talk to someone who is not them. They love me more than love itself. They love me more than they love themselves. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they love me more than love itself to affirm. Listen for 30 minutes a day for best results. Subscribe for more content like this. And if you need help manifesting love, try my Ultimate Obsessed Love Spell by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. Thank you for watching and click on the next meditation for more.